Happens if you want to drive the small block but need to carry more passengers. Welcome everyone to the unboxing of Hot Wheels Long Bloc from 2025's Hot Wheels Art Car line. I'm so happy to be able to unbox this because I've been so excited to pair this up with the small block that I've gotten recently, and just honestly seeing it on the pegs every time I go hunting makes me really happy to have just seen it in the wild. I don't even need to buy it. I'm just like, I'm happy to have this. Before we unbox this, take a look at the car. Let's take a look at the box itself and the details it has. Up here we get the art of the car itself, and we get to see the little bubbles that are indicative of the passengers inside. We get to see the wheels, which oddly enough has threads. The toy itself doesn't, but like this one, it's either wood grain or actual tire threads, like colored. This emblem means that this car is new to the a new casting in 2025, and this car is part of the Art Cars series. Looking at the back here, we get the name of the car and the series. Because this is an international car, we don't get like the cool blurb you get on the US cards. So yeah, so much else to see. Let's cut right into it. Similar to the short block, similar to the small block, I got this car online too because they're selling for sub retail. No, the odd thing is this car is still new. This car is still new, but I guess people are not appreciative. People are not appreciating the fact that this looks cool. This looks really cool. I really like this car, and I've been just pining to unbox it for the longest time. And I just want to pair it up with the short block. Small block. I don't know why I keep messing that up. Maybe because engine terms, short block, and the head, whatever. I feel like I'm holding the blade in a very dangerous way. Any whoosies. Look at that. Oh, there we go. It is now open. Yeah, clean up a little bit. Taking a look at the car itself. First impressions, it's like lighter than the small block. Despite it being supposedly bigger with more capacity for passengers, as a comparison to small lot, it's actually very close in size. It's just the design cues. This is supposed to be like a station wagon design. Yeah, let's start the walkthrough. Start the walk around. At the front here, we get like a arrow design. You see like the sharp ends. It's supposed to be like a bump, maybe for like a big engine intake or something like that, but it's not like exposed. It's not exposed like the small block here. Sides, oh no, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. But we get a wood grain decal with the designer's initial. Designer of this car is Sean Moghedem, SM. Very cool. Get the Hot Wheels logo here too. At the top here we get a E, because this is part of the Art Car series, and they spell out a word. And this font makes me think of the little like play blocks that you always see in like movies. I think like Toy Story, stuff like that. The wheels, I believe they're exactly the same as the they're exactly the same as the small block. At the back here, we also get a whole lot of nothing. The I'm seeing some metal flakes inside. This is casted plastic. It's not paint. So this wood grain. This is paint, but this is just metal flakes casted into the plastic. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, I also failed to mention that there is wood grain like texture at the hood here. Sides we get the more of the same wood grain decal. Very cool. The construction of this car is plastic on metal, just like the small block. This is plastic. This is plastic. This black thing is also plastic. So maybe that's why it feels super light compared to the small block. Yeah, let's give it away. Ta-da. 33 grams. It is light. It is light compared to the small block, which is 175. Maybe it's not that much different in terms of absolute weight, but this does have a bigger footprint, so maybe that's why it feels so much lighter, being half of the car in height is plastic. That is unfortunate, though the design and the look just can't be beat. I would much rather them have a metal body with the plastic base, but yeah, it is whatever. Let's give it a roll. Yeah, rolls pretty well. Ooh. Yeah, the wheels, no wobbles. Slight wobble at the front. Anyway, I think that's all. Let's give you guys a closer look with the turntable. And thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing. If you have any suggestions or things you'd like to see, please do let me know. Since I am in Malaysia, I do get cases a lot faster than anywhere else in the world, so that is something that I can show you guys. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye.